Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by defining the coordinate frame and why it matters. Consistent scale prevents distortion. Choose X, Y, Z, and label units so values are meaningful. Next, set equal intervals, for example 1 or 0. 5, so distances represent real ratios. Plot the origin and orient axes with the right-hand rule. This makes rotation and perspective predictable. Once done, prepare your data list of X, Y, Z, triples, and sort ranges, so your plotting window fits all points. You now place each X, Y, Z point on the axes, and here is how. Map X along the horizontal axis, Y along the lateral axis, and Z as vertical depth. This preserves geometric relationships. Use distinct markers so points are visible, and apply color or size to show a fourth dimension if helpful. Once plotted, decide whether to connect points in sequence, draw a best fit plane, or render a surface. This choice reveals trends versus raw scatter, so pick the method that answers your question. You finish by refining visualization and securing results. Rotate the view and tweak perspective until relationships are clear, then add labels, a legend, and annotations so others understand axes and units. Check lighting and marker contrast for print or presentation. Finally, export a high-resolution image and save your data plus visualization settings. This preserves reproducibility. If something looks wrong, a quick troubleshooting tip. Verify scales and units match across axes. Mismatch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.